Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by installing one tap lock and granting the minimal permissions it asks for. Once installed, open the app and accept screen overlay or accessibility prompts when prompted. This lets the app lock the screen reliably. Make sure any battery saver or permission blocker is off for this app. You do this now so the core functionality can run in the background. After granting access, tap the initial setup to create the shortcut you will use in the next step. You now create the one-tap shortcut. Select Widget, Home Icon, or Quick Tile depending on your launcher. Widgets are fastest. Then pick the exact lock action, screen off for instant lock or lock and sleep to trigger extra security. Once chosen, customize icon, haptic feedback, and optional double tap behavior so accidental taps won't lock. Make sure to test the shortcut immediately to confirm it triggers the chosen action. If it fails, revisit accessibility and overlay permissions before continuing. You finish by testing the lock from different contexts: home screen when an app is open, and from the lock screen if supported. If the shortcut doesn't work, check accessibility permission again, then exempt the app from battery optimization so Android won't suspend it. Once done, try switching the shortcut type. Quick Tile often succeeds where widgets fail. Keep one troubleshooting tip. If nothing works, reboot the device after permissions changes. That often resolves transient permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.